Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for March 21st, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. Breaking news. The Pentagon told Anthropic they were nearly aligned just days after Trump called it kaput. Here's today's AI news. New court filing reveals Pentagon told Anthropic the two sides were nearly aligned, a week after Trump declared the relationship kaput. This legal development reveals a significant disconnect between political rhetoric and ongoing government negotiations with AI companies. Anthropic's sworn declarations directly challenge the Pentagon's public characterization of their technology as an unacceptable risk, suggesting complex behind-the-scenes discussions were continuing despite public statements. This case highlights the growing tension between national security concerns and the commercial development of advanced AI systems. Microsoft rolls back some of its Copilot AI bloat on Windows. Microsoft's decision to reduce Copilot entry points represents a notable shift in their AI integration strategy, responding to user feedback about interface clutter. This rollback from Photos, Widgets, Notepad, and other applications suggests a more measured approach to AI deployment, focusing on quality over quantity of integration points. The move indicates that even tech giants are learning that successful AI implementation requires careful consideration of user experience rather than blanket feature deployment. What happened at Nvidia GTC, Nemo Claw, Robot Olaf, and a $1 trillion bet? Nvidia's GTC conference showcased the company's expanding vision beyond hardware into complete AI ecosystems. The Nemo Claw platform and Robot Olaf demonstration represent Nvidia's push into specialized AI applications and robotics, while the $1 trillion projection signals unprecedented confidence in AI market growth. Huang's lengthy keynote emphasizes that Nvidia sees itself as architecting the foundational infrastructure for the next generation of computing, not just selling components. Nvidia has an OpenClaw strategy. Do you? Nvidia's OpenClaw strategy represents a sophisticated approach to ecosystem development, creating open platforms that encourage third-party innovation while maintaining Nvidia's central position. This strategy contrasts with walled garden approaches, suggesting Nvidia believes the future of AI will be built through collaborative, standardized frameworks rather than proprietary silos. For businesses, this raises important questions about how to position themselves within these emerging open AI ecosystems. Build a domain-specific embedding model in under a day. This Hugging Face guide democratizes specialized AI model development, enabling organizations to create tailored embedding models rapidly. The ability to build domain-specific models in under a day represents a significant advancement in practical AI accessibility, moving beyond generic models to solutions that understand industry-specific terminology and context. This development lowers barriers for businesses seeking competitive advantages through customized AI capabilities without massive research investments. Nvidia's CEO projects $1 trillion in AI chip sales as new computing era begins. Jensen Huang's $1 trillion projection represents the most aggressive public forecast for AI hardware market growth to date, suggesting AI chip sales could approach the scale of the entire global semiconductor market. This projection frames AI not as a niche technology, but as the driver of a complete computing paradigm shift, with implications for everything from data center design to consumer electronics. The timing of this announcement during GTC positions Nvidia as the primary beneficiary of this projected transformation. We have the most energy-efficient architecture in the world. Huang's energy efficiency claim addresses growing concerns about AI's environmental impact, while positioning Nvidia's architecture as the sustainable choice. This emphasis on efficiency represents a strategic response to competitive pressures and regulatory trends favoring energy-conscious computing solutions. The claim suggests that future AI infrastructure decisions will increasingly balance performance metrics with power consumption considerations, potentially reshaping data center economics. An interview with Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang about accelerated computing. Huang's discussion of accelerated computing reveals Nvidia's strategic vision of specialized hardware outperforming general-purpose processors for AI workloads. This interview likely explores how Nvidia's architecture decisions are driven by specific computational patterns emerging in AI applications rather than traditional computing benchmarks. The conversation provides insight into how hardware innovation is being reshaped by the unique demands of machine learning algorithms and neural network training. NVIDIA GTC 2026 live updates on what's next in AI. The comprehensive GTC coverage highlights how NVIDIA's conference has evolved from a technical gathering to a major industry event shaping AI discourse. Live demos and breakout sessions provide real-time insight into how NVIDIA's technologies are being applied across diverse sectors, from healthcare to autonomous systems. This ground-level reporting captures the practical implementation challenges and opportunities that define the current phase of AI adoption beyond research laboratories. Bezos raising $100, OpenAI's super app, Cursor Composer 2. Jeff Bezos' reported $100 billion fundraising effort signals that private capital is preparing for massive AI infrastructure investments, potentially rivaling government initiatives. Meanwhile, OpenAI's rumored super app development suggests a move toward integrated AI platforms that combine multiple capabilities into unified interfaces. Cursor Composer 2 represents the continuing evolution of AI-assisted development tools, making sophisticated coding assistants increasingly accessible to mainstream developers. Conclusion and key takeaways. Today's AI landscape shows accelerating investment alongside growing complexity. From the Pentagon's contradictory stance with Anthropic to Nvidia's trillion-dollar bet, we're seeing both massive confidence and significant friction points. Microsoft's Copilot rollback reminds us that user experience matters, while specialized tools from Hugging Face make advanced AI more accessible. The key takeaway: AI is moving from experimental phase to implementation challenges. Don't forget, if you found this AI News Roundup valuable, hit like and subscribe for daily updates. What story surprised you most today? Let us know in the comments below.